From the charger that powers your phone, to the power that keeping your home, to the portable power bank you take camping, Epever batteries are woven into the fabric of modern life. But here's the thing, one small mistake could shorten their lifespan, or even put your safety at risk. In this guide, we'll show you the smart way to use, maintain, and protect your lithium batteries, so you get reliable performance year after year. A lithium battery is made up of cells, electrolyte, and control circuitry. It stores and releases energy by moving lithium ions between positive and negative electrodes. What are its advantages? High energy density, lightweight, and long lifespan. However, these same features come with risks. Misuse can cause overheating, fire, or even an explosion. The good news: with the right habits, you can avoid them. Rule 1. Location matters. Avoid high temperature, humid, or corrosive environments. Rule 2. Stick to original chargers and battery modules. Rule 3. Never modify, disassemble, or solder the battery yourself. And remember, no impacts, punctures, or compression. Operate within the voltage and current limits in your product manual. When transporting, use fireproof, explosion-proof, and anti-static packaging, keeping batteries away from metal objects to prevent short circuits. At Epever, every lithium battery is thoroughly tested for safety and performance. Battery failures are rare, but if you face a problem, check our video guide on diagnosing and repairing malfunctions. In the unlikely event of leakage, swelling, or fire, safety comes first. Use a water-based extinguisher or cover with sand or soil and call a qualified professional immediately. To use lithium batteries with confidence, inspect regularly, operate correctly, and put safety first. Power your life safely, efficiently, and with confidence. For more tips and support, visit epever.com or scan the QR code now.